Hey, what's up everybody? So in this video I want to talk a little bit about the Canon R, which I've been having some problems with it, which is not really about the camera, it's more about the way I export the files. What I mean with that is, when I first got the camera, I did a beat project on it. That was my first time using it, and it was like a video. So we took a lot of clips, right? And the problem that I had is, like, I had a problem with Final Cut and Premiere, so it wasn't Final Cut. I called Apple and I called Canon, and Canon finally helped me out. But the problem was, like, since there were like 50 clips, and it won't only export from the camera to the computer, like half of them, and I had no idea what was going on, and it was a paid job, so you know that I had to get it straight. And it took me like probably 3 hours to finally, after calling everybody, looking online, I couldn't find anything about it. But apparently that I didn't have that problem with Canon the M5, so that was what's weird about it, because I never had that problem before. Now with the new camera, I wasn't expecting that, because it's newer, it's supposed to be easier to export files and all that. But apparently you need a software in order to export your files, which I didn't know. That was like, you really needed to do that, because I mean, come on, it's supposed to be like easier. So I'm about to show you later on when I talk about the software that you need to get. And it was weird because I tried like different ways and I couldn't figure it out, but I finally figured it out. But I noticed that I didn't format the SD card at first, because I was like, okay, it's gonna get from Canon to Canon, I don't see why I should be formatting the card. But apparently it does make a difference, so I formatted the card on my camera. So I still have that problem. On my last project, excuse me, I did like a lot of clips, and almost at the end of my project, after I finished editing, I was like, hold on, I'm missing the file. So I had to go back into the software, and then finally I did find the file, but I couldn't see it on Final Cut when I was trying to export all the files from the camera to Final Cut, which is, to me, that's the easiest way to do it. But if you use the other software, it's like an extra step that you have to do. That's why I try to avoid using that software. But apparently, as right now, that's the secure way for you to make sure you're gonna export all the files. And I kind of hate that, but apparently it's not from the problem is not from the software Final Cut, because like I said, it did it with Premiere too. I tried it with Premiere to see if that was the problem, but it still had the same problem. And also, I don't know what's going on, if it is a Mac issue or what, because my friend bought a new Sony A7iii, I think that's the name. And I had the same problems too, like I couldn't export all the files. It was kind of weird, like I can view it but I couldn't export it. Like after disconnecting the camera, it says like corrupted file or something like that. So the same thing, I told him to format the card on the camera, and until this point it seemed to fix the issue. So if you buy a new camera, make sure to format the card inside the camera, because somehow that makes it different from the Canon R. It made it a little better. I don't have no problems at all exporting pictures, but when it comes to video, I do have problems with the Canon R. I don't know why. And with the Sony, I don't have that problem anymore. So just make sure to format that card. Even if it is a brand new card, you have to format. That's the best way to be safe. If not, you're gonna have the same problems I did. But luckily I managed to get all my videos that I need and finish the job. But anyways, let's get on the computer and show you how to get the software and a little bit how to use it. Okay, so in order to get the app, you have to go to the Canon website and just go to Google and type Canon, and then go to the one that says usacanon.com. I don't know if you're in a different country, I guess it's different, but for the USA, you go to that one, and then you click here and drivers and downloads, and then you put the type of camera that you need. In this case will be the Canon R. Make sure to select the one from here, because if you press go, it won't go to the page. I don't know why, so you have to make sure to select it here. So select it and press go, and then go all the way down where it says drivers and downloads. You go there, and then the one that you need in order to transfer your files, for example pictures and videos, you need the EOS utility 3. On this case it's 3. If you watch this later on, it might be a different number because that's the update. So then you click here, you select it, and then you go through the process of download and all that, install it, and then after you install it, you're gonna get something like this, and every time you connect your camera, it's gonna open by itself. So I guess it's kind of trying to save you time, but I wish you every time you would I don't need to do that for videos, and you just export it straight to Final Cut instead of getting it through that software, then copying the file to my computer, and then from after the files are copied, then I need to transfer it to Final Cut. So it's kind of like an extra step, but I don't know why you need to do this. I hate it. But anyways, you go here, and after connect the camera, it's gonna open this up. And by the way, I did try to take off the SD card out and put it straight to the computer with SD USB adapter, and that didn't work. That couldn't even read it. I tried to put the SD card on my M5 because I noticed on my M5 I didn't have any problems, but apparently the files are different, and the M5, it doesn't read the file for the Canon R. Like I said, I was trying everything. I was desperate because, like I said, it was a paying job and I didn't want to lose it. I thought I lost all the data, but it was aggravating. So then you go here. I don't have my camera connected right now, so but it's really easy. You can go here to download image to computer, and then you pretty much just select the video, the image that you want, and I'm pretty sure you select the destination that you're gonna try to copy it to. So after that, you can do pretty much whatever. And apparently, the best way to do it is to connect the camera straight to your computer, which in this case is the Mac. I'm not sure if you have a PC, it makes a difference, but like I said, if you have a Mac, that's the only way to do it, or the secure way. I don't know if you had that problem or not. Let me know if you're not having that problem at all. The only way I noticed that you do have that problem is whenever I had a lot of files. For example, like I said, that time I had 50 clips, and the other time I had probably 40, 20 clips. So whenever I had that amount of clips, I have a problem. The Final Cut won't read every clip. Like I can see it, I can download anything. The only way I can see is, like I said, through that software. So let me know if you do having that problem and which way you do it. If there's an easier way to do it, I would love to know if there's an easier way to do this, because I don't like dealing with this software. I mean, it's not really that hard, but it's extra step. So I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.